Good morning! Welcome to Everyday Noms. Today, we are making Keto Pepes. This dish looks and probably tastes like otak-otak, but my mom called it pepes and so shall I. There is a little difference between the otak-otak and the pepes, and I think the otak-otak is usually a little bit more firm and it is smaller. Pepes tends to have chunks of fish or even a whole fish in there. Anyway, this is my mother's recipe and it is also keto. So, let's start! Here are the ingredients you need. Remember to cut and de-seed the dried chili and soak it in hot water for a while to soften it. Here, I'm going to throw in yellow onion, galangal, ginger, turmeric, black peppercorns, candle nuts, the rehydrated de-seeded chili, garlic, and a couple of lime leaves. Add a little bit of water if you need to and blend it into a paste. This is a Spanish mackerel fish. I think most mackerels should work for this dish. All I'm doing here is getting the fish meat off from the bones. This fish is pretty soft, which means I can use a spoon to scrape the meat away from the skin. Let's heat up some oil. Cook the paste on medium heat until the spices are cooked. Be wary not to burn the paste. Once the oil separates, throw in the fish meat and then add the thinly sliced lime leaves. Mom's recipe also requires turmeric leaves, so if you have it where you live, throw it a little in there. You can click on the link in the description box to view Mom's original recipe in my blog. Mix it for a little while more and then add the coconut milk. Turn off the heat. Let the paste cool down for at least 30 minutes. Here, I have a few banana leaves. We should wipe them down with a damp towel to clean them before wrapping the paste. This is a pretty easy process. Place the paste in the center and fold both sides of the banana leaf. Use toothpicks to secure it and finally cut both edges for a cleaner look. I'll show you another one for good measure. Once they're all secure, you can either throw the pepes on the grill or heat it on a frying pan. Once the banana leaves shrivel up and the pepes solidifies, it is done. If you like this video, click like and subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Hope you like this recipe. Till next time!